Hey everyone, it's Ashfaq from ZenUI Labs, and today I'm super excited to introduce our new tool React Hooks. We built this library with one goal in mind: to give developers only the most useful production ready React hooks. You can explore all the hooks right here on our website. Each one has its own interactive playground, detailed documentation, and API reference. For example, here's our local storage hook. It lets you persist state in local storage with automatic JSON synchronization, hydration, and sync across tab in just a few lines of code. To get started, just install it from npm, then import any hook you need. We have put a lot of care into this release. It's simple, TypeScript ready, and built for production ready React projects. Check it out at reacthooks.zenui.net. Explore the playground and see what you can build. And if you like it, don't forget to star us on GitHub. Thank you.